Yeah, well, so it's not anything that I sort of planned. It kind of just, it kind of just happened. But I can really just, if I were to pinpoint a period where this kind of took off, it was really during the COVID-19 pandemic. There was a lot that was going on. There was a lot of uncertainty. There was the health aspect of the pandemic that, I'm not qualified to speak about but when it came to the economics, the food system was really front and center on the national news. There was a lot of conversations happening on social media about why the meat packing plants were closing, why there were shortages at the grocery store, and there was what I thought really a lack of factual grounded information that helped explain what was happening. And so I remember taking to social media at the time and just putting my thoughts out there, and really trying to make sense of the current situation with the layer that there was a lot of uncertainty. A lot of us didn't really know how this was all going to play out, especially pretty early on in the pandemic. But there was really a need for grounded information. I saw the spread of misinformation at the time. I mean, this is something that's been happening for quite a bit of time. And so I thought it was important to sort of get ahead of that and provide the public and everyday people with information that could help explain what they were experiencing, and even more importantly, make much more informed decisions. And this is really different from the work that we do as academics, where we're looking at very specific questions, and we sort of narrow down on methods. And so here, that academic experience helps inform, what I talk about, because it's grounded in theory, it's grounded in methods, it's grounded in data. But what it really comes down to is sort of making that connection with the public, a general audience, to help explain what they're experiencing, and also help them make more informed and hopefully better decisions.